Welcome back to Data Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how to create and format a graph in Excel. So first of all, you need your data. Select the data that you want to be in your graph, in which case I'm going to pick my month column and my color column. I'm then going to go on Insert at the top here. As you can see, I've already selected that, and I'm going to pick a graph. Today I'm going to go with a traditional column graph, I think. Nice and easy. So obviously this is showing the percentage of cola sales over the months of the year. However, it's very basic and it's not the most interesting. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the title cola and just change that to cola sales over the year. So to do that, we click on cola, we click on format, and it brings us up this nice little helpful thing at the side here. It gives us other options such as, do I want a chart title, do I not want a chart title? But in this case, we do want a chart title, we just don't want it to be called cola. So we're going to delete out cola and we're going to change that to cola sales over the year. I'm just going to hit enter there so that, as you can see, it populates over here. And we can also put that wherever we want. We can overlay the chart with it if we like. I personally do prefer mine above, I just think it looks better. And again, you've got your normal font options, your normal bold, underline and colour options. I tend to make my chart headers bold, but again, it's completely up to yourself. Legend, you might be wondering what that is. That refers to this little key down here that tells you that blue means cola. That, again, when you have more than one variable going on down there, it's nicer to obviously have your different legends, different colours and everything, because then you can easily distinguish them. You can put your legend wherever you like, to the left, to the right. That's often more helpful if you've got a bar chart, but we'll keep ours at the bottom for now. And again, you can change the colour, the fill, anything that you want really. If you want purple, you can have purple. However, it's a bit hard to read when you do that. So we should just indeed undo that for now. Next, we have the horizontal axes. So the gap width refers to the gap in between the bars going horizontally. So if you want more or less of a gap width, you can make this thicker, larger, however you want it. You can also change the labelling position next to the axes, low, high, however it suits you. Again, I normally go next to the axes on this unless I have certain kind of lines or something that I want to do something particular with. You then have the vertical axes, which is obviously the one going up here, and it is minimum and maximum bounds, and it has major units and minor units. Again, you can change the position of that. You can also toggle on and off grid lines, because I quite like charts without grid lines. I think it looks nicer. So I'm going to toggle them off. And then in format code, I'm also going to change this, because I just prefer straight percentages. I don't particularly like the couple of points next to them. I'm just going to delete those two and click enter in order to get rid of the points. The reason Excel's done that is because in my source data for the cola, as you can see over here, I do have the decimal point and 2 bits after it. Then again, if you don't like the blue, I said we'd turn these purple, didn't I? So all I've done there is literally clicked on them, and in my chart format there, it's brought me to the exact same place. You can also toggle on fun things such as trend lines, and it'll put on a linear trend line for you. You can have your R² value on the chart if you really want, and things like that depending on what you're doing. That's a very basic chart formatting overview. Thank you for watching.